Hi, welcome to Mother Earth. Today we'll be making DIY cold pressed coconut oil. First, you want to start by removing your coconut meat from the husk of the whole coconut. This is about 2 to 3 coconuts. Next, you want to go ahead and chop up your coconuts. Get some water, that's about 2.5 cups. And then you put your coconut in the blender along with some water. Next, you want to take a cheesecloth to be able to squeeze all the coconut milk out of the pulp, because that is where the oil will be coming from. We are not done yet with what is now desiccated coconut. Add it to the blender with some more water, and then it will be squeezed just like the first step. That's what the coconut milk should look like after this step. Next, we'll cover it and leave it on the counter for 16 hours overnight. The byproduct of the coconut is the desiccated coconut and the coconut water. After about 16 hours, that's what it's looking like, with the coconut cream separating from the water. The coconut cream being on the top, that's on the spatula, and underneath is the water. And you don't have to have it sit for 16 hours. 13 would suffice. The 16 is for extra coconut fermentation for a stronger flavor. Now I'm going to go through with my fine mesh strainer to separate the cream from the water. This is what it looks like after I've strained the coconut cream from the water. The water can just be disposed. I am now transferring it into a smaller jar so I can better see when the coconut cream separates from the oil. After that, it'll be outside for an hour in 77-degree weather. This is after that, and now you'll see where the coconut cream, which is on the top, separates from the coconut oil, which is at the bottom. I will now be separating the cream from the oil. You can see that the oil is turning out like how I'm showing y'all on my hand. Once I completed that, I put it in the freezer for 45 minutes to allow the layers to separate some more. After it's taken out the freezer, you can see the coconut oil solidified on top and the coconut cream is at the bottom. Now to go ahead again and separate the oil from the cream. I freeze the coconut cream one more time for 30 minutes, which is to the left, just to get any more coconut oil bits. And that's the final product. Thanks for watching.